This presentation is about the atom and its parts, really about atomic theory. Well, the atom, this is an artistic representation of the atom, and it has lots of different parts to it, but this is a graphical representation of what an atom has, and it's got all its basic parts there. First off, there is the nucleus, and the nucleus is this very tiny thing in the center. The nucleus has both the protons and the neutrons located into it. The first particle that we're going to talk about are the protons. The protons are in the nucleus of the atom, and we're going to say that these red ones are examples of the proton. The proton has a positive charge, and again, it is located in the nucleus of an atom. The neutron, also located in the center, is these ones that are blue, but I'll color them in green. Neutrons, which are also in the nucleus of an atom, have no charge, meaning they're not positive or negative. The electrons are the things that are on the outside of the atom. These, looks like 4 electrons are orbiting the outside. They have a negative charge. The electron cloud is this entire thing right here where the electrons are likely to be found. Some important things are some key vocabulary things. The atomic mass unit is the label or the metric unit for how we measure protons, neutrons, and electrons. A proton is 1 AMU. A neutron is also 1 AMU. So protons and neutrons are about the same size. Take a look at strontium here. Strontium has an atomic number of 38. Well, that means it's got 38 protons. Its atomic weight is 87.62, but that's a weighted average, and that number is protons and neutrons combined. So that's where we get most of the mass. The electron has such a small mass, it is almost 1,836th of an AMU. So an electron almost has no mass when you compare it to the masses of a proton and a neutron. Atomic number, again, is the top number on the periodic table. The atomic number for neutral atoms tells you the number of protons, and it always is the number of protons. So the atomic number always tells you the number of protons. But in a neutral atom, it also tells you the number of electrons. So the atomic number is the number of protons and the number of electrons in neutral atoms. But no matter what atom you're talking about, if it's strontium, for example, it's going to have 38. If it's calcium, calcium has 20 protons. If it's scandium, 21 protons. Rubidium, 37 protons. So that atomic number tells you the number of protons. And in neutral atoms, it'll also tell you the number of electrons. The atomic mass or weight, which is it's sometimes referred to, is the number on the bottom. So using strontium again, 87.62, or scandium's 44.956. Well, that is its atomic mass, sometimes called the atomic weight. Really what those are the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. And that is the vocab.